Hey guys, for this video, I just got home from grocery and I'll show you. So today yung agenda ko is dahil tomorrow is another day and it's Sunday, so we need to deliver some stuff na in-order sa amin ng mga resellers namin and mag-food try namin. So I just got home again and I will just pick things here in my room kasi dito rin ako nagluluto ko. Nagmi-mix ng mga tinitimpla ko so that I can make sure that everything is clean and safe kasi syempre dito sa baba naglilinis pa sila, so I need to have my own separate space for my niluluto. Kaya ano naman meron kami dito sa and may closet on the side, so kasi may space naman dito. Yun lang talaga yung ginagamit ko for my small business and just the rest naman silang lahat. So yeah, I will update you later. I'm just gonna clean all the stuff here first before ako mix na mga kailangan kong ibenta or i-deliver to order. So bye. Hi guys! So, kakatapos ko lang sa mga cups or ice cream cup yung tawag namin doon, or Graham cup siya na may mga flavored with Graham, Obi, and pandan, ganun. So, tapos ko na lahat yon as in, like mga 40 pieces or pati float, ako yung gumagawa lahat. So, tomorrow na lang siguro ako mag-continue with the Graham balls na binibenta namin because ako lang tayo nag-iisa ngayon kasi nakauwi na yung pamangkin ko na ang tawag dito, yung tumutulong sa akin to make Graham balls talaga. So, umuwi na siya kasi siya lang yung maasahan ko na alam yung ginagawa ko. Kasi yung jowa ko kasi, yung quota niya talaga is for benta and delivery. Ako na yung gumagawa lahat. Like, mixing and then from measuring and then packing the orders, ako lahat gumagawa niyan. And yung quota lang talaga ng boyfriend ko or ng jowa ko or ng live-in partner ko, kung ano man tawag doon, is to deliver and to get some orders. Yun. And for online orders, ako yung nakakausap niyo, girl. Kasi, ano siya, marami akong accounts na ginagamit. I mean, social medias na ang tawag dito, ang hirap naman. Marami akong social media na ginagamit para like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. Doon kami nagpo-post ng mga binibenta namin. So, posting and then replying to emails, lahat ng mga orders, ganoon ako yung gumagawa. So, I think I need to rest my hands and feet today. So, pagpubukasan ko na lang yung mga Graham Balls orders. So, right now, I am eating this mani. And I need to drink 2 of these bottles today. So, yun lang naman. I'm gonna update you later once meron pa akong ibang gagawin. So, bye muna! I'm gonna rest. Small business here in the house, we do sellers, owners. I mean, we have a lot of resellers from a lot of other cities nearby. So, dito sa bahay, nagbibenta kasi dito yung mas, maraming bata yung nahanap ng mga goods namin, which is the ice cream and the munchkins. So, minsan, minsan ka rin na sabit lagi kahit offline dala ko ulit siya lalo na sa music kahit saan 3 months ng Spotify Premium for 85 pesos
pesos. Cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more. Gotta work out. How about Sakto Music? No more random tracks ruining your flow. Play what hypes you up, skip what doesn't. With Spotify Premium, you don't take control. Play what fuels your life. Get 3 months for 85 pesos and power